Hello kids, welcome to Vijaya's classroom. Today we are going to do a sensory play related to the letter B. Let's start the session. Now we are going to do beads tracing. I'm using yellow color beads now. Big letter B. Standing line, right curve and right curve. Now let's start tracing the big B using the yellow color beads. Now tracing big B using the beads is completed. Let's take some more yellow beads and start tracing the small B. Standing line and right curve in the down. Standing line, right curve in the down. Now tracing with yellow beads is completed. Big B, small b. Big B, small b. Big B, small b. Let's do the sand tracing. Take some sand in a tray and spread evenly and then trace the letter you want to do. Now I'm going to trace the letter big B and small b. Standing line, right curve and another right curve in the bottom. Standing line, right curve and another right curve in the bottom. Standing line, right curve, another right curve. Now you can able to trace the letter big B. Shall we trace small letter B with a standing line and a down right curve? Standing line, right curve. Standing line, right curve in the bottom. Now let's do it using the ice cream stick. Spread the sand evenly, make a flat bed and then take one ice cream stick or any stick or pencil available at home and trace the letter B. Now I am tracing big B. Standing line, upper right curve, lower right curve. Again standing line and lower right curve for small b. Standing line, lower right curve. Big B, small b. Big B, small b. Once again, big B, small b. We have completed the sand tracing activity. You can try this at your home. Let's move to the next activity. I'm going to take some beads, colorful beads, red, blue, green and yellow. I'm going to sort the beads. B for beads. B, beads. Now I'm going to separate the red color beads first. I'm separating the red beads. Separating the red beads is almost complete. Next, let's do the blue beads separation. Separating it one by one. Now blue color separation is also done. Next we are going to separate the green colors one by one. Separate the green colors alone. Now the green color separation is done. We are going to separate the yellow color. Now only the yellow colors are available, so I am putting all the yellow colors in the separate partition. So everything is completed now. Kids, hope you all enjoyed this bead sorting activity. You can try this type of any grains or something like this or buttons at home. Let's move to the next activity. I'm taking some water in a tray. Now I'm going to do a boat. Boat. I'm taking a square shape cutout, paper cutout, and folding into two and into another two. So I'm making taking a single paper and folding it in the triangle, and other three papers in other side. See, like this you need to do, and need to open that triangle shape. Now the boat shape is ready for you. Let's play with the boat. I have some more boats and colorful boats already I have did. Now I'm going to play in the water. I'm going to put the paper boats here. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Kids, do you like the sensory game related to the letter B? Hope you all enjoyed this video. You can watch once again to do this sensory play at home. Let's meet in the next session. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.